put that can there?
You did.
Right. Don't littering. Don't do it. It's bad.
Yeah.
Littering. Don't do it.
Look out. Look out. Oh.
Matt, you got it. Is it recording still?
I think I killed it. Wait. Pitch it to all stuff. Pitch it.
I thought we don't hit it at the cameraman.
More.
Strike one.
Fail.
Oh my god. Ready, Matt?
I think we'll call that a foul.
The hand that's holding the camera. Back in here! Oh. Ah!
Oh.
Ah!
Ow.
Ow! God, stop it! What the heck are you?
Job completed. You're done.
Yeah. Alright, let's go get some food. Dang it.
Does somebody live in that house?
Matt, I'm getting tired. Come on.
A feat worthy of Atlas.
Nobody touch that rod.
It's holding the rock
Holding
up.
the earth up.
Oh god.
Let's go get
The
food.
scoliosis is getting bad.
Let's go get some food.
Maybe you didn't break that bottle.
Just the half.
Epic fail.
You hit that.
I know what button it is, damn.
And straight.
The entire rock, it is positioned to fall on the unsuspecting lion.
Fetics. You did not fall.
Oh, it did not fall.
The mega sword. How do I make it more secure, Peter?
Tighter.
No.
Oh, wait. Is this hollow?
Yeah, that's what I was just thinking.
Yeah.
Oh,
Jam it in the hole.
I know what you're thinking.
Sometimes you just gotta jam it in the hole.
Yeah, no, sometimes, all the time.
All the time. If you see
That's my philosophy in life. You see a hole, jam it in.
Jam it in. We're not talking about rope.
Yes, we are.